Hi Neet aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Good afternoon students, and last we discussed the galvanic cell, electrolytic cell and Nernst equation. For if you write the cell potential of what is the cell potential, E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This is the cell potential, standard electrode potential. E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. But now we write the cell potential by using Nernst equation. E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by, here is for a zinc. For example, galvanic cell we are writing Zn plus 2 and salt bridge copper plus 2 and copper. For this one we can apply the Nernst equation. Here is how many electrons are transferred? 2 electrons are transferred, that is equal to 2. We can write here log base 10 Zn plus 2 concentration by copper plus 2 concentration. This one by using Nernst equation we can write the cell potential. This is EMF or cell potential or electrode potential we are using. Now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by 2 log Zn plus 2 by copper plus 2 concentration. You can see from here I am writing this one is the electrode potential, standard electrode potential. We can write the standard electrode potential versus and reaction progress versus, if plot the graph between, this is our zero potential means we can write the zero like this. This one is the zero, this one is a zero potential. Now whenever the reaction is progressing in a galvanic cell, here is copper plus 2, I am writing 0. Plus 0.34 and here is minus 0.76 volts. For copper is copper electrode potential how much? Plus 0.34, zinc concentration 0.76 volts. Now in the galvanic cell Zn plus 2 means Zn is converted to Zn plus 2 means Zn plus 2 concentration is increasing. Yes or no? Zn plus 2 concentration increasing means potential also increases. It reaches to some point, this one is a 0. Okay, concentration increases. But copper plus 2 is deposited on copper surface. Here also copper plus 2 concentration decreases means it reaches the 0. This is the equilibrium. At equilibrium, the concentration of Zn plus 2 and concentration of copper plus 2 is 0. It is equilibrium. At equilibrium we can write K equilibrium is equal to Zn plus 2 by copper plus 2. At equilibrium concentration is 0. Now write this one. Now I am writing E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10. Here is Zn plus 2 copper plus 2 concentration, that is equal to K equilibrium. Now write the K equilibrium constant. Now write at equilibrium E cell is equal to 0. This term is 0. Now this term is 0 means 0, that is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by 2. Here is log to the base 10 and K equilibrium. Now write rearranging this equation. E naught is equal to 0.0591 by 2 log base to the 10 K equilibrium. Okay, now this is the equation for E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 by 2 log to the base 10 K equilibrium. Now write the equation log to the base log K equilibrium is equal to 2 into E naught cell. E naught cell, what is the E naught cell for galvanic cell? E naught cell is equal to 1.1 volts. Now write 2 into 1.1 volts. We can write 2 into 1.1 volts by, for log K equilibrium is equal to 2 into 1.1 volts by 0.0591. For K equilibrium, how to write K equilibrium? The final equation I am writing, K equilibrium is equal to anti-lag. What is the value? For this value, anti-lag value, will get the K equilibrium. That is the value for equilibrium constant. Now first to take the E naught cell is equal to, you know E naught cell, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. If you take E naught cell means E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Now I am taking galvanic cell. Zn plus 2, it is separated by salt bridge, copper plus 2, copper. This cell I am writing by using Nernst equation. What is the Nernst equation, students? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by 2 log to the base 10 Zn plus 2 concentration by copper plus 2. Now here at 0, this is the 0, potential is 0. When potential is 0, when reaction is progress, Zn plus 2 concentration increases. When Zn plus 2 increases means potential increases, it goes to 0. Here is potential decreases, it is also going to 0. Now at equilibrium, K equilibrium is equal to Zn plus 2 concentration by copper plus 2 concentration. Now write at E naught cell, at equilibrium, K equilibrium, E naught cell is equal to 0. Now put the 0, E naught cell is equal minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10 K equilibrium. Now E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 by 2 log K equilibrium. Now write the log K equilibrium. What is the log K? This side is going means log K equilibrium. This one, log K equilibrium is equal to 2 into E naught cell. E naught cell value 1.1. This value, you are getting something value for this one. Now write K equilibrium is equal to anti-lag into this value. This value whatever you are getting, that is the anti-lag. This is the equilibrium constant can be calculating by using this formula. Okay, and use these videos and prepare well, and all the best to your preparation for 2023 NEET exam.